Okay, my scrapper friend yesterday brought me this machine. I gave him $20 for it. It's got a nasty smell to it. See what's going on with it. Let's see if I can. When it comes on, I can see. Oh yeah, you see these little black specks here? That's due to excessive roaches. We're gonna have to disassemble this machine, clean it all up if we get it fixed. Don't even know what's wrong with it. I just gave him 20 bucks. Sight unseen. See if we can get it into diagnostic mode. I should have let that one go. Well, I'll have to steam clean that one. Yeah, we'll put it up there and see what goes on with it. Ew. That's the kind of stuff you run into, though. I ordered me a new truck. All the welds are coming off. My wheels came off of it. Ordered me a new one yesterday. Put my test clothes in. Been sitting here all weekend. Water goes in. The thing I want to do to this thing is disinfect it. I think I might have discovered what's wrong with it. Those lights on the knob there aren't coming on. One thing. It's smelling better. Let's see how nasty it is inside here. Roach Motel up in there. Nasty. have two problems here. We have a problem with this unit. My goodness. I got me some gloves on because this is unconscionably nasty. Look at all this stuff that came out of there. I'm gonna have to take this apart piece by piece. I don't even know what I'm fooling with this thing. What I should do is just scrap it, put it on the bone pile, take it to the junkyard. But I've got $20 in it. Maybe. Wow. Yeah. See all that stuff coming out of there? Yeah. Oh gosh. Maybe that's why it's not lighting up. What is that? Golly. Oh no. Get this LED board out of here. Oh my goodness.
Three hours later.
This thing just stinks. I don't think I'll ever get it clean enough to sell. I mean, it's a nice looking machine, other than all the roach castings all over it. Ooh, man, it just smells bad. Oh man, down there there's just rat pills and roach castings. Oh my gosh. I tell you what guys, I'm gonna put this one on the boneyard. I'm not even gonna take parts off of it. I'm done with it. I can't in good conscience, even if I got it running, sell it to somebody in the condition it came to me in. Look at this. It's just horrible. No, I'm giving up on this one. This one will beat me. I'm putting it on the boneyard just like it is. I don't want any parts off of it. Some you just got to give up on. How somebody can live in conditions like this is beyond me. They don't have enough rubber gloves for me to get into this.